Hi, this is Najee with ADT Security. Am I speaking with Pixie?
Yes.
Calling in regards to a carbon monoxide alarm we're receiving from the Zone 23 master bedroom. ADT does recommend that everybody in the house leave the premises until we can get the fire department there.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
I had scheduled for a company to come out and do cleaning at my house. I met the guy at the door. I pointed him in the right direction. He set about doing his thing. Right after he left, started feeling super groggy. I took a flight from California to drop off my grandson. I did the red eye back. So it was a quick turnaround, and I just considered it was jet lag. And I thought, you know, Bailey and I would get through what we needed to get through and just go take a nap in the master bedroom. Bailey started going crazy. ADT was calling on the phone, and all of the carbon monoxide detectors were going off at the house at the same time. I just thought it was probably a reaction or a false positive until the fireman walked up to the door and he put his gauge right inside the front door. And he backed away, like really suddenly, and he said, "We need to dress. This is too high." After investigation, the fire department determined that the cleaning truck was backed up to my garage and positioned themselves so that they could run hoses through the garage and left the truck running. The cleaning company's exhaust was entering through the garage that was right next to my air conditioning unit. That was pumping throughout my entire house. The largest amount of carbon monoxide was found in my master bedroom, which Bailey and I would have crashed at. Yeah, we would have gone right away to take a nap. I think if I could say anything to the ADT rep, it would be, you're an angel. I cannot thank you enough for keeping me safe so that I can, I got to hold my grandbaby today.
I'm Amber Weaver with ADT, and I'm delighted to be here with Pixie Monroe and Bailey today to honor first responders and reunite them with Najee Freeman, the ADT dispatcher from Jacksonville, Florida, who helped save their lives, and now they will meet for the first time.
I'm so glad you and Bailey are safe.
Thank you.
It's surreal. It really drives home that what I'm doing, it helps people. It ensures the safety of the people that trust us. It's not just some voice on the other end of the line. It's a real person that was affected by a carbon monoxide leak in their home.
And carbon monoxide is a silent, dangerous killer. We always encourage all of our residents to utilize monitoring equipment. Early detection, early notification, and early evacuation is really what can make a difference, as it did today.
I'm so grateful that Bailey and I are okay. I'm so grateful that no matter what, I know now that ADT would have called the fire department. I would not have known what to do.